Okay, this is my yellow 2005 generic 6-cylinder Mustang. This is what it looks like right now. It does have custom seats, but nothing special. Other than painted on stripes, which I do not like. I've already taken the front end off. So I just want to show you a before, and then in 1 week I'm going to show you an after, and I want to see what you think, and I'll tell you how much it costs to make this look like this. Well, what do you think? It really is a budget Mustang. Let's go through what I've done here in 8 days for really less than $700. Hood scoop, 99 bucks, eBay. Slow charge decal, $11.95. Shelby style silver stripes all the way to the rear, did them myself. Those were 72 bucks. Hood pins, $14. I had a set of headlights laying around. Usually you could pick those up on Craigslist for 50 bucks. Front grille, $54. As you can see, I painted the yellow horse. Lower grille, 34 bucks. Spoiler, $72, eBay. All these are on eBay. Shorty antenna, Craigslist. I think it was 10 bucks. I designed these Mach 0 side stripes to cover those black stripes you saw earlier. The black stripes are actually under here. You can just barely see the Mustang. 25 bucks. These wheels, I picked these up on Facebook Market, $300 with brand new tires. I was going to use my painted wheels that I picked up, but I decided against that. Wanted to go with the chrome. Side louvers, $99, pre-painted. Rear window louver, $10, Facebook Market. Picked up the installation kit, 20 bucks on eBay. Rear spoiler, eBay, 72 bucks. Side marker, $5. Rear emblem, skull. I believe that was 25 bucks, and it came with a steering wheel one. Scott Drake cover there. I think that was about $19.95. Here's what I did with the spare tire. Put that in the trunk, looks good. Gives it a nice clean look, and it's a full-size spare. Let's go to the interior. Interior, brushed aluminum decal. That was 25 bucks online. I painted the bezel with a spray can, chrome spray can, $3.99. Steering wheel, painted that and replaced the emblem. That came with the other one. Gauges that I had put in there. Center control panel. Painted these door lock covers with the spray can. That's it. Didn't want to do too much yellow. Didn't want it to look ridiculous. And one of my favorite things is the white face gauges. $27 on eBay. I mean, you can't beat that. Look how good that looks. These, 11 bucks. All right, let's take a look under the hood. Okay, under the hood, I found this air raid air induction system, believe it or not, at a junkyard on a junk Mustang. 20 bucks. All I had to buy was this hose, $11 at Advanced Auto. Chrome Monte Carlo bar or engine brace or strut tower brace. That was 72 bucks. I replaced the plug wire, spark plugs, coil pack. You know, that was about 99 bucks for the coil pack. 72 bucks for the plug wires. I bought Motorcraft spark plugs. Those were like, I don't know, 4 bucks each. Bought these side emblems, pair of them, $14.95. I actually had them on the side of the car, but didn't like it. Thought it looked a little too, too much. So I just put one in here, and the other one I gave to my daughter to hang up. Then I went to Home Depot, picked up bolts. These are little details you got to do. Change all your bolts, and it will look really clean. I think I spent $11 on the bolts. They actually sell bolt kits on Amazon and on eBay that are really nice. And some, you can get these colored washers. I just went with standard bolts. I thought it looked pretty good. Did some braided hose, this is just covering. Took me 3 minutes to put it on. Did one clamp here, replace this covering, $5. I need to do the rod here, change that to chrome, but not bad. Your hood liner, you can take this off, and I had to take it off anyway to screw the hood in, the hood scoop. Take this off, spray it with a soapy cleaner or spray 9, let it sit, and then go out and hose it off, let it sit in the sun, it'll come out clean. There you go. So I hope you like this budget V6 Mustang. 8 days, under budget, under $700, I'm not kidding you. And it went from that picture you saw earlier, in the video you saw earlier, to this. Hope you like it. Oh yeah, I don't want to forget smiley face. $9.99.